Well, I made it back from the store, and I think I got what I need. Spackling. Spackling, my friend, spackling. So, we're going to start spackling. So, it said to mix the stuff first, but I don't really know how. I mean, it's all the same consistency. I don't know what I'm mixing up here, but I'll just do a little spin around in it. Ta-da. Yeah, I know I couldn't get the sticker off. It's just going to stay there now. Spackling's pretty self-explanatory. I've done it a couple times before. It's not rocket science. You know, people say that stuff. So you just, you know, put it on there. Cover up what you're trying to cover up. Hey, ain't that pretty? And yeah, and just try to make it so there's no air bubbles in there. You might want to go over it a couple times. It's okay if you're only doing one little dot and you're just making it so much larger. It'll be fine. You're going to want to, after it dries, you're going to sand it down, so it's okay to put some extra on there. It doesn't have to be completely flat. Wow, I'm doing stuff! I just hope it doesn't take too long to dry. I was thinking about spending more and getting this stuff that said speed dry or whatnot. And I was just like, you know, I'm already spending enough doing this. Let's just be happy with what I can get. So, remodeling the bathroom. Honestly, you don't have to go all the way. You don't have to change every single thing. Even a paint job can be remodeling in my mind. So I did kind of go expensive on the paint because I wanted it to just, you know, one coat type of deal and be done and have extra left over for touch-ups. All that jazz. So on 2 gallons of paint I spent, on top of a kit of paintbrushes and stuff, I spent about $70. Now when it comes to all the other things like the spackling and this guy, whatever you call this guy, what is this guy called? Anyways, that was an additional $40. So, and you know, at some point I'm gonna get a new toilet because this one is Junkola. Junkola because it takes about 10 seconds for it to fully flush, and it's kind of not something I want to tell somebody every single time they come over. I'm like, oh, by the way, hold down the toilet, you know, flushing the toilet for a good while, or it won't flush completely. Like, I'd rather just be like, not have to talk about the toilet when people first come over. That would be ideal. And toilets honestly really aren't that expensive. I already got one picked out of what I want, and it's $150. I can do that. I can do that. Wait for another paycheck. Whatever. Oh my goodness, this is happening. See, I don't like it how it gets the bubble in there. It makes me upset. I don't want to be upset. No one likes being upset. Actually, some people do like being upset. Just kidding. There are those. So yeah, I'm just going to keep doing this, and then once it's all dried up, it'll be time to paint. Alright. Here's where we are at. So, spackling is pretty much dried. Not all of it, but we're just going to work with what we got. This wall already did. If you can tell, I'm not sure if you can, it's smooth. It's smooth, it's nice, it's pretty, but there's an art to smoothing it down. It's not just a simple, rub as hard as you can. No, you want to leave some of it on there. Which one should we close up to? Eeny, meeny, miny. I found Mo. If you're not following my jokes, I'm so sorry. Alright, let's see how this works. Okay, alright. Oh. Well. We're getting somewhere. Hey, okay, now you can see the rigid edges of the spackling that's left there. And hopefully I can find where this is pointed at. Oh yeah, man. Okay. So you're just basically trying to make it blend in with the level of the rest of the wall. Don't even worry about trying to get the whole portion of the spackle, because like I said, you want to leave some on there. It is very much like an art. You just got to feel it out, and it really does help to feel it of what portions might need a little more sanding down. This really does not have to be a rough, super physical, ooh, get it done, tear down walls stuff. No, this is the finer points of doing anything with a home, yeah? Look at it. It's beautiful. We are doing things. This is gonna happen. This one's a little more chunkier than I'd like, but it's getting there. There's a center of it that's not, I didn't put enough in. Definitely can tell. But hey, nothing's supposed to be perfect. I'm just gonna be happy I did this. And it's gonna look a whole lot better than it did. Hey, if you're the type of person that's very conscious about what you breathe in, yeah, maybe get a mask. Because I don't have one, and right now I'm thinking about it. I was like, yeah, it'd probably be a good thing. Okay. All right. I think that's enough of an example. Did I even get the one? Oh, no, I was working on the ones up there. Well, you know, you got a portion of it. You got a portion. Hope it makes sense. Okay, now I'm just being weird. I'm going to wait until the rest dries and sand it out and then start painting. This bun isn't working. Alright, can't wait anymore. I can't do it, not anymore. I want to get some painting done today. So anywho's, I've sanded down as much of the dry spackling as I possibly could. There's still quite a bit left in the corner that's not dry yet. But I can start on a wall. So I'm gonna start on a wall. I'm painting. I'm doing it. It's happening. So I lost my paint stick thingy that you mix up the paint with, so I've been shaking this around for a while now. Yeah, I don't know what I did with it. No idea. Probably in the mess of everything in the hallway that I, you know, took out of the bathroom. Oh, I already smell the paint. Oh, yes. Open sesame. See, what's really nice is that I don't give a poop. You hear me? I don't give a poop. If I get anything on this carpet, because this carpet is gonna go. It's gonna go. So this is one of the colors I chose, and let's see how it goes. I'm so excited. Like, this is awesome. This is the best thing I've ever. Oh yes, this nice paintbrush that I bought. Heck yeah, it even feels good on your face. It's a good time. Oh my gosh, I love working with paint. I love it. And I love wiping it on my pants. Oh, good stuff. Okay, we got some in this thing. That's great, right? And now I'm just using the brush to clean off the sides of the paint can. Because honestly, it's just a smart thing to do. You don't want the lid getting stuck too hard to the can because you had all that paint in there. And the crevices. Not no more. Anywho's. Yes. Gonna paint, man. Gonna paint. Can you tell I'm pumped? I literally, pretty seriously am. Just living life. Okay, so I need room. Help me. Gotta move the dough. We did it. I was trying to go that route, but the tape won't stick because of all the powder from the spackling I was sanding off. It didn't work very good. So we're just freehanding it. That's what we're doing. Freehanding all of this. Doesn't scare me, not one bit. I don't live in fear. What you talking about? I'm just excited to see this on the wall. Yes, this is what I want. This is exactly what I want. Frickin' paint on the wall is what I wanted. And that's exactly what I'm getting. So, yeah, thank you, Lord. I'm getting what I want. Holy moly, it's happening. Okay, there's not really much left to show you on this. I'm just going to start painting. Use maybe a roller. Not the tiny one. I don't want the tiny one. Bigger one. Get all the bigger points, cover it all up, and then start, you know, doing the siding. The fine painting with the fine, soft brush. Yes. Yes. Alright, alright. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. Let's move that guy. So, this is actually day 3 into painting. I was planning on getting it done all in one day. Didn't work out that way. Ended up getting the stomach flu and throwing up for, you know, quite a while. 11 hours straight, man. Well, not straight. It really wasn't that bad. That was the easiest stomach flu I passed ever. I'm pretty proud of myself, but then again... Anyways, during construction, you can't always get it your way and on your time. So, here we are with it actually being partially finished. So I got the dark wall done for the most part. It's just some finishing from around the toilet, that way, and around the mirror, whatever. It'd be fine. It'd be done soon enough. And then all the light gray on the 2 walls, this one and the one behind you, it is entirely and completely complete. If you see all the chicken scratch at the bottom there, I may have used a 1-layer paint and put 2 layers. And I didn't think that would be a problem. It would just be like extra coverage, right? But it seems like it's just really thick, and it started like getting super goopy in some places and like having dripping marks. Which, you know what? All of this is an experience, and I love every moment of it. Just for the fact that I am making memories of doing this to my own house is amazing enough. And every imperfection is gonna be a piece of my life. Like me, how I have flaws, and I love it even still. Anywho's, I'm an adult, I own my own house, and I can paint on the walls. I can do what I want. That is the update. Well, it's been several months since I finished painting the bathroom, but I didn't do the last clip of showing you guys what it looks like, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I would say it's good. My chicken scratch, like I repainted the vanity. I ended up making these by myself. These are actually just sample flooring that you can get at a hardware store. And I drilled in these little, whatever you call these guys, and I picked those up from a repurposed, like, Habitat for Humanity is what it's called. At least we have those in Michigan. And then I got trimming that I cut and put stain on, wood stain. I got this guy. I haven't got a cover for this yet. But yeah, I like it. I feel like I'll repaint again someday. Because the colors were darker than I thought they'd be. Just a tad. But still good. I made this. If you guys haven't seen that video, I sanded this and stained this myself. I got it for free from Habitat for Humanity. So, it's not perfect. It's not fantastic. But, you know, it works and I like it. So, probably shouldn't have opened that. But yeah, this is my bathroom. I still haven't changed the carpet because the subflooring needs to be replaced, redone. It's not okay, so I can't put down new flooring until the subfloor is done, and I don't know how I'm gonna do the subfloor. But anyways, yeah, my bathroom. I painted it. Ta-da!